This is a video tutorial on how to set up the diode laser at MOSC. So we come over here, we're going to use our thumb and index finger to unscrew this little screw on the left hand side. It will just loosen the unit so we can pull it up like so. Okay? And we're going to come over here, and you can see underneath here there are four little metal tabs here that go into these holes. So just line them up. Goes this direction. I'm going to place them right in like that. Now we want to make a nice snug hole with the same screw that you unscrewed over there. You're going to screw down here really tight, otherwise it won't read the connection that it's hooked up. So make sure the screw's tight and it's not wiggling and it's firmly in place. Okay, next we're going to come to this second attachment. You're going to pull this straight off, just like so. We'll just set it aside carefully. Next, if you open this drawer, you're going to find the attachment to replace that with. It's right here, this cylinder black deal. Okay, that needs to go in place of the one you just removed. So you just simply set it on there and twist until it firmly locks down in place. So you can feel that now. It's nice and snug in there. It's not moving around. Okay, so those are in place. Secondly, we need to turn on the laser. If you follow me over here, this is where we keep our keys. Come right out the door to above the sink, you'll find a YAG and an argon key. You need both keys. Return back over here, put in the YAG laser key, turn it to the right. Put in the argon green laser key into the diode, and you'll turn it to on or to the right. This is a little bit of a waiting period here, as you need to wait for the system to warm up. So you're going to have a good minute or so here just to pause and wait. What I'm waiting for is this keypad here to come up, and it'll show you when it's ready. You can see it's still in the process of warming up. There's a little line here that tells you it's 8% along. You have to wait until it's completely ready to go. You'll see the screen will change. You won't see Selecta there anymore. Once that screen changes to the next screen, we'll make note of that and it'll be ready. Let's just still wait here. These are normal sounds as the laser is warming up. Okay, we have reached here to this screen. This is what you want to see. The light right here. That says EXTPC. You want that to be up there. Can you see that on there? Okay. There you go. That's what that screen looks like. Now you're ready to go, other than here you'll see on this display on the left-hand side, it's still in standby. So obviously nothing's going to happen here while it's in standby. So once you're ready to actually start to treat the patient, you're just going to hit the mode button and you'll see this go to ready. Punch that, it's ready. Okay? Foot pedals down on the floor, you're just going to go from there. Obviously, setting adjustments are on the panel, and that's up to the doctor to complete. All right, end of tutorial. Thank you.